Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Houston, Texas, where a drain was bringing water in. Every time the weather was really bad, light flooding outside, water would come in and fill this patio. You see it? Let me back it up so you can see what the patio looks like. See it? It's enclosed with a ceiling that is a deck up above, so water was coming in, small amounts. And you can see there's a sump. And here's the drain. See it? This is the drain that was in and nothing tied to it. On the outside of this wall is a culvert pipe, a big round black pipe with a pump in it. So when the water gets high on the outside of this basement wall, the water will be pumped out and then all the water's gone. But there's the issue. There's no way of being positive, but it's more of a footer system if that's the case. That means the water can't get any higher than about a foot, right about here. And if the water outside get any higher, then the water is going to come out of these drains here. See it? Now, usually it's very, very small amounts, but it's water just the same. If a customer doesn't want to see any water on that patio, something's going to have to be done about it. So that's what we were here to fix. What's the solution is you don't want to mix the outside water on the French drain that's up and down outside with water that's on the inside. That sump is only for the basement, all this patio and all of the interior of the house. Everything drains here. So if outside water comes in and it's much higher outside and the pump is not getting it out fast enough, then anything over about a foot in that wall, the water is going to pressure, it's going to backfill and come inside. So what's the solution? Solution simple, which is what we suggested a long time ago, which wasn't, how we would say, it wasn't said agreeable. They didn't believe it was possible. Well, now we know. When the water does, so what you do is you go and you separate that drain from the outside pump. You open a hole, you fill it in with waterproof grout, you seal it with T1, which is what's on that wall there, and seal it 100%. And then the water that's outside stays outside. Now, if there's any water in here, it's from in this sump. The water in here is only for the entire basement. And that water will drain here. And now, rather than pump it through this drain and go out, you put its own external port. From here, go up and go out. And that is what we suggested a long time ago, which has been about maybe 7 months ago. They didn't want to see it. So what we're going to do is we're going to build an enclosure. Just like that pump is inside the wall, we will remove that cover, slide it out, and we'll make sure that this is all covered with that line right there. See? And it'll all be hidden. And the pump will still work the way it's supposed to. And how is that working? Well, there's a drain here that goes directly to our sump. We excavated it to make sure that if water flows in this room for any reason, the water will come from the grate, hit our trench, roll into the sump, pump out. No more water is going to be seen in here. I'm pretty much positive that this will not be another visit. So that's what it looks like. So let's get busy. If you like our videos, click the like button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you have any questions, this was a question that was sent to us where someone said, is it possible to put a drain on the inside even though the water's coming in from outside? This is the fix. This is what you can see what happens if they're mixed. So there's the answer to your question. So don't forget to subscribe.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, follow, like or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.